You searched how to buy shares of Public Storage. This quick guide walks you through the practical steps. Public Storage is a nationwide self-storage REIT listed on NASDAQ with the ticker PSA, and this is educational content, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as the example platform. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before placing orders. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker PSA to find the company. Select the result that matches Public Storage to open the stock page. On the stock page, review the basic company summary and the live price chart to confirm it's the correct listing. Verify the exchange displays NASDAQ and the PSA ticker. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio so you can monitor it. A soft call to action. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to explore the example platform.